Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a new product review. So I've been trying to go around Sephora to get my new Urban Decay eyebrow pencil, but supposedly it's discontinued from France, discontinued from Italy. So I had to try something new. So I got the Anastasia Brow Pen, and this is in the same shade, Taupe. So I realized in my last video I went back to calling it Taupe, but I know it's Taupe, so don't come for me. Alright, let me open this. I got the Anastasia Brow Pen. Let's see how it goes. I got it specifically because it has the felt tip, but unfortunately that's all there is. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna get a pencil or a brush just to brush them up really quick. Then we're gonna fill them in. Alright, something I noticed is this color is, this taupe color is a lot darker than the Urban Decay shade, but it's starting to look good. I just don't want to overdo it. Alright, so this is a finished product for the brows, so I would probably rate this product like a 6 out of 10 just because it's significantly worse than the Urban Decay because it doesn't come with this little pen, the pencil. And this thing's almost out, so I'm just gonna have to do with this. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe and tell me what you'd like me to see review next. So thank you for watching.